Welcome to 5 Minutes of Boodle, where we're building a post-AI world 5 minutes at a time. BoodleBox is an AI platform that allows you to use multiple large language models, build custom bots, and collaborate with others all in one space. I'm Sarah Gibson, a college professor and AI strategist, and I help individuals and institutions move from fearful love to flourishing with AI. Let's get started. Today's topic is meeting notes. Have you ever left a meeting with pages of scattered notes and buried action items? Let me show you how AI can transform your messy notes into organized, actionable insights in minutes. Here we are in BoodleBox. For this specific task, I'm going to choose Claude Sonnet 4.0. You can always change the models by clicking down here, going to the specific model, and selecting it. I am choosing Claude because of its ability to understand language, its organization capabilities, the way it can maintain the original intent while improving clarity, and its ability to write professional emails. So today I'm going to use a simple prompt. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to ask it to organize my meeting notes by doing 3 things. First, I want it to create action items with owners and deadlines. Second, key decisions and rationale. Third, any opening questions that still might be remaining from the meeting. And finally, strategic next steps. And at the very end, I want it to draft a professional follow-up email that includes all of the information that my committee members would need. So I'm going to take this prompt and simply copy it and paste it into BoodleBox. You can find this prompt in the description below this video. Let's take a look at my original meeting notes. They're overall very well organized. They have some action items and they have some follow-up that's listed. I'm going to take those meeting notes and paste them in and go ahead and hit return. And now we can take a look and see that it did a really great job of capturing all the key information that I asked it to give me. Now I could copy this information and put it at the end of my meeting notes, and I think that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to copy it. And at the bottom, I may put AI summary so I know where that information came from, and then simply copy it right in there. Now we can see that it gave me some more information about some academic frameworks or other things that I might want to know. And that is coach mode, just trying to coach me and how to use AI better. And then here at the bottom, this is my follow-up email. So if there's anything in this email I don't like, I can take it out and rewrite it, or I can simply prompt the AI to fix that information and maybe make it more narrative and less bullet point, whatever works best for you. Now let's do this one more time. This time I am going to use some pretty messy notes. So if you take a look at these notes, you can notice I don't even know what the new guy's name is. And there's a lot of narrative throughout these entire notes. I will tell you the better your notes are, the better return you're going to get. But I'm going to show you how you can still get a good return even with messy notes. I'm going to take those notes and once again copy them right in, hit return. Okay, there we go. So you can see it cleaned up the notes. It gave me some key items. And then it drafted a lovely follow-up email. It even reminded me I'm not quite sure if this is James or Jason. And so that's something I need to look into. And once again, at the bottom, there's coach mode trying to prompt me how I could do a better job utilizing AI. Now, there's one more thing we want to do. Let's organize this in case we have to go back to it. So here under all chats, I can find my last 2 chats. So this would be my original one, and I'm going to click and rename. And then I'm going to make a new folder for all my meeting notes. And by clicking on the 3 dots, I can move this into my new folder. Now they will still show up here. This shows me the last chats that I went to, but now I can also find them up here in my meeting notes. And if I want to, I can add a folder within a folder. And there we go. Now I've organized my chats and it'll be easy to go back to in case I need to reference something. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. If you want to try BoodleBox for yourself, there's a code for 1 month free in the description below. Like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. And no matter where you are on your AI journey, remember, start small, build with intention, and together we're shaping a post-AI world.